All right, GTO fans, you are looking at something very, very special right here. Factory triple black convertible, immaculate condition. Check out the options on this. The only known example produced in this color combination with these options. Tri-power, 3-speed manual transmission, triple black color, factory air conditioning, push button radio. Look at all those options. I thought the number would be a little higher than what it says, but hey, let's take a look in here. Paint and body look very nice. Reflectivity is good. I love the caps on the wheels. One of one, known to exist. Triple black. Doesn't get much better than that, folks. Holy mackerel. I'm not a bidder, so I can't lift the hood. I'd love to lift the hood for you, but I just can't do it. So you'll just have to work with that. You can go back to the reruns, I'm sure, of Mecum auctions, and you see it go across the block and watch them lift the hood then. But there you have it. Only at Mecum Auctions, God's Garage. Thank you much.